Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water filter bypass in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water filter bypass. The water filter bypass is used to replace a water filter when one is not installed. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. The filter bypass is usually installed whenever your old filter is no longer good to use. So we're going to press down on the locking tabs, put down the cover, and then we're going to push down the old filter as far as it can go, and then just pull it out. This is your water filter bypass. It goes in this way. So we're going to insert it in, push it in all the way as far as it goes, and I'm going to lift it up, and then we can close the cover. And now we can close the doors. I usually start with the left side, and then I can close the right side. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.